Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Realme 6i versus the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and the A30s is powered by a Samsung Exynos 7904 chipset with 4 GB of RAM with a 64 GB of internal storage, while the Realme 6i is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with 4 GB of RAM, and Realme 6i give you a quad cameras on the back, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 25 megapixel main sensor, and also we have a triple cameras on the back compared to quad cameras on the back on the Realme 6i. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And look at my first on the Realme 6i followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have One UI 2.0 on the Samsung Galaxy A30s versus a Realme 1.1 UI on the Realme 6i. Both phones is on the end, and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Realme 6i, it is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s, now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there between the A30s and the Realme 6i. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a notch display. We have a 720p resolution on both phones, but we have a Super AMOLED display on the Samsung Galaxy A30s versus a IPS LCD display on the Realme 6i. So a little bit difference in the display area as well. So now let's see the app's opening speed, and you can see everything is closed up in the background. No app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And you can see that is super faster on the Realme 6i followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So next on the list is the settings application on both phones. Boom. And you can see again super faster on the Realme 6i followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So next on the list is the Amazon shopping, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see that Samsung Galaxy A30s, it is faster, while the Realme 6i, it is still taking some time. Both phones is on the same Wi-Fi network, and now the Realme 6i, it is also done. So now let's see the scrolling, and you can see it is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Instagram, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Now let's see the Snapchat, faster on the Realme 6i, and you can see followed by the Samsung Galaxy A30s again. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and very interesting to see who is better, MediaTek Helio G80 versus a Samsung Exynos 7904 inside the A30s, and you can see very huge difference between the Samsung chipset versus a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset inside the Realme 6i. So next on the list is the Subway Surfer we have, and let's see it is again happened or not. And you can see, and still Realme 6i, it is again faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s, now it is also done about 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. And in game app loading time, there is a huge difference between these two devices. Although Samsung Galaxy A30s is expensive phone than the Realme 6i, at least in my country Pakistan. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and let's see. And you can see again Realme 6i, it is faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30s, it is also done. And you can see my files on both phones, faster again, super faster on the Realme 6i. Now let's see the Spotify, faster again on the Realme 6i, and you can see the Realme 6i is really fast in system based application. So now let's see the Zedge application on both phones, and that is Definitely faster on the Realme 6i again. Twitter again faster on the Realme 6i. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go. You can see faster on the Realme 6i. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the A30s versus a Google Chrome on the Realme 6i. And the first website we have is the Amazon.com. And you can see that Realme 6i it is looks like faster. Let's see, and you can see Realme 6i it is faster, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s now it is also done about 1 second difference there. Next on the list is the wikipedia.org, and let's see who is faster there. And again Realme 6i it is faster, about the same on both phones I have to say. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones give you a 4 GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. I am expecting that the Samsung Galaxy A30s it is better in the RAM measurement, because in my last speed test Realme 6i it is not really good in the RAM measurement. So now let's see phone dialer that got refresh on the Realme 6i. The settings again refresh on the Realme 6i. Amazon shopping, and you can see that is again refresh on the Realme 6i. Instagram refresh. Let's see the Snapchat refresh again, and now let's see the Candy Crush Saga again refresh. And you can see RAM measurement is really bad on the Realme 6i for some reason. Subway Surfer, you can see refresh again right now, and you can see again refresh. Both phones is on their latest software version. My files again refresh. Let's see the Spotify refresh. Zach refresh. Let's see the Twitter refresh. Last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely faster on the Realme 6i in system based application as well as in game app loading time. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. I'm really impressed by the performance of the A30s, especially in RAM measurement. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Realme 6i and the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Let me know what you guys think about this new Realme 6i, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.